If your Switch Joy-Con buttons or triggers aren't responding, it's often due to dirt buildup, worn contacts, or a minor software glitch. In this complete guide, I'll walk you through easy steps to fix unresponsive Joy-Con buttons. Let's dive in and get your controller working again. Solution 1. Test the buttons with built-in tool. Go to your Nintendo Switch home screen, then go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. Now inside here, open Test Controller Buttons. Press each button and check if the system registers it. If some buttons don't respond, move to the next fix. Solution 2. Detach and reattach the Joy-Con. Sometimes it's just a bad connection. Slide the Joy-Con off the console. Wait for a few seconds, then reattach it firmly until you hear the click. Try pressing the buttons again. If it's responsive now, the issue is likely a loose connection. Solution 3. Clean around the buttons. First, remove the Joy-Cons from your Switch. Get yourself a dry toothbrush, soft brush, or cotton swab. Now gently scrub around the edges of the unresponsive buttons. Avoid any liquid, just dry cleaning. If you have any isopropyl alcohol, you can use that as well to clean the buttons. Also try blowing some air into the buttons as well. Once you are done cleaning, reattach and test the buttons again. Now test if the issue persists. Solution 4. Update the controllers. Open up your Switch. From your home screen, go to System Settings. Scroll down to Controllers and Sensors. On the right side, scroll down a bit and choose Update Controllers. This ensures your Joy-Cons or Pro controllers are running the latest firmware. A quick update can fix the button, lag, or recognition issues. Solution 5. Reset button mapping. If you have customized controls, it might be affecting gameplay. Go to System Settings, scroll down to Controllers and Sensors, select Change Button Mapping. If the option is available, tap Reset to restore default layout. Then test if the buttons work as expected. If your buttons still don't work after trying these steps, the problem could be hardware related, such as worn out button pads or damaged contacts. In that case, it's best to reach out to Nintendo support or take your device to a reliable repair center. I hope this guide helped you fix your buttons. Feel free to leave a comment below if you need more assistance.